Just a couple of minutes. As I told you before, we won't have the discussion right now. I just prepared some slides, then I will show you very quickly just to focus, on the point that I was preparing something that we can do tomorrow during the other discussion section, also during the small groups that we will do. We have time for 3 small groups and zone sessions. And don't go through all these things, but it's something that during her talk, Federica asked us for some inputs to discuss on the submission process. I here highlighted a few important points, like where we are, what we have to do in the next future, like the referee process that can be provided by the TBS Science Collaboration, and the strategy, what we can do in the future to consider, maybe this is not working, to consider the collaboration among us. So I will pass some of these questions to you tomorrow and to answer during the discussion, also the final discussions. So we will stop here. But for tomorrow, I think it is useful to organize, after we have heard about these science cases and also all the details on the cadence, on the fields we are interested on preparing proposals, and we can organize tomorrow on small groups focused on what we have in common, as also Federica told before, or Colin said during his talk, we can coordinate on scientific purpose on the same technical cadence. So for tomorrow we organize 5 small groups with, there are some computers with math already installed, so we can coordinate a small group with common interest, let's say, and we can work on simulations. And maybe during also these small groups we can discuss some of these ideas, the strategy, what is the best strategy to go with the small groups, small programs like Colin stated during his talk, or big programs with different science cases coordinating one another. So I thank you for today, and for those of you who would like to join us for the dinner, the cocktail, let's say, offered by us, please don't be late, because they wait for us at 7:30. So there is also the possibility for others who didn't sign to sign at the desk there, so we have the total number, and I thank you all again for today. Thank you.